In this video, I will be showing you how to cancel your Grok AI subscription. Let's get started. First, I open up a browser window, navigate to the search bar at the very top, and type in Grok Support Chat to look up the platform's support options. After hitting enter, a list of search results appears on the screen. I scroll down past the top links and public questions to locate the official Grok website. I select the main link for Grok.com to open up the platform. Once the homepage fully loads, the main Grok interface appears with a prompt box in the center. I navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen where my profile picture is located and click on it. This action opens a pop-up menu with options like Settings, Tasks, and Help. From here, I select the Settings option at the top of the menu list. This action pulls up the main account dashboard overlaying the chat screen. Inside the account settings panel, I can see my profile details. I click on the Manage button on the right side next to my name and email address. However, this redirects to a general upgrade page displaying different premium plans like Super Grok Lite, Super Grok, and Super Grok Heavy. Since this doesn't show a direct cancellation route for the active account, I decide to close this window and proceed with an alternate method via email support. I open a new tab in my browser and click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, I select Gmail to launch my email inbox. Once Gmail finishes loading, I head over to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Compose button to start drafting a new message. A blank message window opens up in the lower right corner of the page. I copy the official support address, which is support@x.ai, from my clipboard and paste it directly into the To Recipient field. Next, I click into the main body section of the email to write out the formal cancellation request. The email greeting reads, "Hello Grok Support, I hope you're doing well. I would like to request the cancellation of my Grok AI subscription. Please cancel my subscription and confirm that no future charges will be made to my account after the current billing period. If there are any additional steps I need to complete, please let me know. Thank you for your assistance. I appreciate your help and look forward to your confirmation. Best regards, Sample." After double-checking the text, I move down to the bottom of the Compose window and click the blue Send button. A small notification box pops up at the bottom left confirming the message is being sent. Once the email goes through, I click on the View Message option in the notification to review the sent email and make sure everything is properly delivered. My cancellation request is now successfully submitted to the support team. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.